Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to all my dear students. Welcome to AIMS Online Education Center. Today we are discussing about the statement of problem. In the last video, I will tell you about the variables in which I will explain independent, dependent, mediating and moderating, which are very focused to your research thesis, right? So today I will tell you about which make your thesis six things which is included in your statement of problem. If your statement of problem include these six things, that your thesis would become more effective, right? Like I will tell you about three things that make your effective topic, right? So that's as like that. There are some things which we need to make our statement of problem more effective. First of all, you will need to understand what is meant by statement of problem. Statement of problem is actually a those statement which tell us about which problem we are addressing in our research thesis, right? Which problem which we are facing or our surrounding environment, our education system, our project system. There are a lot of things which we affect in our daily routine, right? There are different sciences and different departments and have one common thing which is based on your thesis, and that is called statement of problem. It is founding pillar of your thesis, right? First one is topic, research topic. The second one is statement of the problem, or its another name is research problem is also you said, right? So there are six things. I will explain you one by one with an elaborate example. So you should need more focus. First of all, what is the problem? Which problem we are addressing in our research, right? Right, what is the problem, right? We are clearly define which problem we are facing for which we opt this topic, right? We will justify the statement why we should do use this topic for our research, right? So what is the problem? And the problem is your thesis topic, right? And the second one is what solution you adopt for resolving your problem for research thesis, because there are certain researches in the past already present. But if you make a difference between them, you should make a guideline and choose a new path to relate this topic with a new invention or new technology or new project. So you should aware that if there is a problem in your mind, then there must be a solution. You should find out with this some research, right? So first of all, problem. The second one is solution, and the third one is purpose. What would be, your research benefited in this society, right? What is the after result? How we could benefit from your problem, right? So you should also aware your purpose, why you are choosing this topic, what is the purpose behind of choosing this topic, right? Is there a benefit for the society for the problem or not, right? And the fourth one is the procedure. Which procedure you adopt? Either you are go for qualitative search, quantitative search, and if we go to research type, correlation search, either you want to relationship, effect study, causal comparative, experimental, quasi experimental. There are certain types. Which procedure? Either you go for questionnaire or either you go for interview. They must you must all clear before writing the statement of problem, right? If you are writing a research proposal, then you are must aware of these four things, and literature would help to choosing these four things. But the last thing, and the second last, sorry, the result. You should aware the result. If your result is not which in your mind, which is your purpose, what we should do. And if your result is very satisfactory and excellent to expression, what should you do? So you also aware the result, either good or bad. You must aware both type of result. What you should do after the result came, after doing research, right? And the last but the not least, population. You must aware your population of research. And if you are not defining population in the statement of problem, then your statement of problem is bogus, right? So I will also explain three things. The first one, the problem, the solution, and the purpose, and the population. These four things are already present in your research topic. Problem, right? Solution, which techniques use your purpose, as well as population. These are the part of your research topic is present in that in your research topic. These two things you are hypothetically, or you said, as you said, that when we go further statement of problem, you go to hypothesis, null hypothesis, right? Or research hypothesis. These two are after that, but you should also weigh the good or bad side. So I will explain you example. Let's start. For example for example in the last night there are storm in the Islamabad city. There are heavy storm and thunderstorm are coming in the Islamabad. So here is what our problem, right? And after the problem, what should it do done? The traffic signal and spotlights are still out after a recent storm. Yesterday night, yesterday's evening, a storm coming in Islamabad, and due to that storm, the traffic lights or spotlights are not working, are out of work, right? So here is the problem. What would the solution of the problem? The solution is that the traffic police department, send officer to manually operate the traffic signal, right? So they hire the lot of traffic police officers, right? After that, what they should do? Purpose. What is the purpose? The purpose behind to call the addressing the problem is the people are not driving rushing, are not to be held of unnecessary while waiting for a light to change, right? If there is a no right signal, and so what should do? There are a lot of accident happening around Islamabad. So here is the purpose. So what is the solution? The traffic police officer manually operate the operation. First three things to clear. After that, what procedure you use? You use procedure that each each traffic signal you send off officer to manually operate the traffic signal so that the people aware either to stop and either to drive or either to stand by, right? So you should send the officer to traffic signal to operate to either avoid the misfortune or accident happen, right? So that's procedure you are very clearly, because at the early morning there are no operator to operate or technician to resolve traffic signal, right? When the day coming up, so that the police officers will or technician police officer call the technician, and they would uh, testify and check the issues between lights and repair them, right? So there is a procedure, and afterward the five is result the smooth traffic flow. There are no accident or no misfortune happen in your city or in your traffic signal due to out of spotlights. And the most important thing is the result procedure. Population. You should must aware the population of Islamabad city, how many signal in the Islamabad city, and how many signal in Islamabad city, and you should send according to the population of traffic signal in the Islamabad city. You send traffic police officer according to the population of traffic signal in the Islamabad city. If you not send the according to the population of traffic signal, then there must be happened certain misfortune. So here is you write the statement of problem. I will explain one by one again. You should must aware the problem. The problem is storm coming, and just due to storm, the light is not working. So that's why there are certain misfortune happen. would be happen in the morning, right? So solution is what traffic police manually send the traffic police officer to the site, different site, and to avoid the misfortune or accident. The purpose is that driving in rush hour, there is no people do not wait if there is no traffic signal working. So it would be a chances to certain accident in certain casualty happen in Islamabad city. And what you should do, procedure you should send the traffic police officer in each traffic signal um, area, right? Traffic spotlight area, you send each traffic police officer to the traffic signal area, right? So the result was smooth traffic, and there is no casualty or accident happen in the mornings, right? And after that, you should must away the population of the Islamabad city, how many traffic signal in Islamabad city and which areas, and how many traffic police officers you arrange to send the is on the spot or in the spotlight, so that you must avoid that rush of the traffic or any casualty, right? So I will explain you about how to make the thesis statement more effective. And if you are like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you have any problem, go to section and write your query. I will make the next video on it. Thanks for liking. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.